Just a quick video here. I got a two-stroke here. You seem like 75% of the time it's related to the fuel and carburetor. So I went ahead and it's basically just bogging down, hard to start. So I checked the air filter. Air filter looked good. Gas looked a little old, so I end up just draining that, pushing the primer bulb, getting the excess gas out, sprayed some carburetor cleaner in the fuel tank, and I primed it. And then I put new gas in there after I got rid of the carburetor cleaner. Put new gas in there and it still wouldn't start, or it'd start but it would just bog. It would not pick up any RPMs. So then I checked the spark plug. Spark plug was good, spark was good. And then my next option is the muffler. So I went ahead and took out the spark arrestor and see how clogged up that is. So I'm going to cut that off. So basically it's restricting the flow and it won't operate properly. If this doesn't work, which it will, you can obviously see how clogged that is. Sometimes you got to take apart the muffler. A lot of the smaller ones, handheld weed whackers for the Echoes are pretty bad about it. The exhaust ports will clog up with carbon and you got to take off the muffler and chip that away. And make sure you don't get any inside the piston and cylinder. But fixing to cut that off and it should work pretty good after that. This is actually I'm getting ready to get rid of this thing. I'm getting all new equipment this year, not dealing with this maintenance and fixing all the time. Start replacing my machines every 2 years for these handhelds. Alright, got that ripped off, fixing to put it back in. Okay, so I've got that arrestor back in, fixing to crank it up. It's semi-warmed up already from trying to mess with it, but I'm gonna get all my machines in enclosed trailer this year. Season's just right around the corner, so this will keep my machines out of the weather as well. All right, problem solved. Glad I didn't have to mess with the carburetor.